Let's cut right to it. These are the 10 most strategically important AI tools you need to have on your radar for 2026. You know, the AI world moves incredibly fast. But the real question is, which tools are actually becoming essential and which ones are just noise? That's what we're here to figure out, to pinpoint the platforms that are truly going to define how we work. All right, so here's how we're going to break this down. First, we'll look at the core AI models, the big brains of the operation. Then, we'll see how AI gets woven into your daily workflow. After that, we'll dive into the really specialized tools for pros. And finally, we'll pull it all together into what we're calling the toolbox for 2026. Okay, let's start at the very heart of it all, the core models. Think of these as the fundamental brains powering just about everything. Understanding what makes each one tick is absolutely crucial. So, you've got three main players on the board. First, OpenAI's ChatGPT. It's still the versatile workhorse, right? Its strength is just raw, flexible power for text analysis and code. It's the default for a reason. Then there's Google Gemini. Its strategic advantage, it's all about the ecosystem. If your company lives in Google Workspace, Gemini isn't just another tool, it's the intelligence baked right in. And then you have Claude. This is the specialist for heavy-duty tasks. That massive context window isn't just a gimmick. It's what lets it handle huge documents, making it the go-to for deep dives in finance, law, or complex strategy. So, having a powerful AI brain is one thing, but how do you actually use it in your day-to-day? Well, that brings us to the next and maybe most important category, workflow integration. This is where AI stops being a separate tool and just becomes part of the furniture. And Microsoft Copilot is the absolute prime example of this. This is Microsoft's killer move. By embedding AI directly into Word, Excel, and Teams, they're leveraging their massive distribution power. The advantage isn't just about what it can do, it's that it's already there, right, where millions of us spend our entire workday. Now, while Microsoft is playing that broad corporate game, Notion AI is doing something similar, but in a much more focused way. It puts intelligence right inside its own world of project management and knowledge bases. So this isn't about general office stuff, it's about giving a serious boost to very specific workflows, like documentation and team collaboration. All right, so the all-rounders are great, but let's be real. Sometimes you need a specialist. You know, a surgeon, not a family doctor. That's where this next group of tools comes in. They're built to be the best at one specific, demanding job. In a world flooded with AI-generated content, how do you know what's actually true? That's the exact problem Perplexity AI solves. It's not just another chatbot. It's an answer engine that's obsessed with the truth. By giving you direct citations and sources, it delivers the kind of reliability that serious professional research absolutely has to have. Okay, so from deep analysis to creative production, specialization is key. Now, let's switch gears and look at the tools that are completely changing the game in visual media. This is where things get really interesting. When it comes to generating images, you've basically got two different philosophies. On one hand, you have Midjourney. It is, without a doubt, the artist's choice. You go to Midjourney when you want something that looks stunningly beautiful, prioritizing pure aesthetics. On the other hand, you have DALL-E. It's the pragmatist's tool, built for speed and easy integration, making it the better pick when you just need to create functional content quickly inside your workflow. And if you think images are impressive, wait till you see what's happening with video. This is where Runway just completely dominates. It's the leader in turning simple text prompts into high-quality video clips, making it an absolutely essential tool for anyone in marketing or content creation who needs to produce professional-looking video at scale. And we absolutely cannot talk about specialist tools without jumping into the world of software development. Because in that world, GitHub Copilot is king. It has totally changed how people write code. It's not just an assistant anymore, it's more like a pair programmer, suggesting huge blocks of code and freeing up developers to think about the bigger picture. So after all that, what does this actually mean for you? Let's put all these pieces together and build out the complete strategic portfolio, the 2026 toolbox. So when you lay it all out like this, the picture becomes really clear. For your day-to-day text and business tasks, you're using a core engine like ChatGPT or Claude amplified by Microsoft Copilot right inside your apps. For programming, it's GitHub Copilot, no question. For images, you make a strategic call. Midjourney for art, DALL-E for function. Video? That's Runway. Research? You need the precision of Perplexity. And tying it all together for productivity are tools like Notion AI and Copilot. See? This isn't about picking one, it's about having a complementary set of tools. So the strategic direction for 2026 is crystal clear. The future isn't about choosing just one AI tool. It's about mastering an entire AI-powered workflow. The professionals who are going to win are the ones who can seamlessly orchestrate these integrated all-arounders with the high-performance specialists, getting the best of both worlds to hit a whole new level of creativity and productivity.